In this second lesson of the ComfyUI beginner tutorial series, you will learn the basics, how to use it, and generate your first image locally. I will guide you step by step, so don't miss anything and watch till the end. As from the last lesson, I am using the ComfyUI portable version on Windows 10. If you haven't downloaded and installed Comfy yet, watch the lesson and follow the instructions. If your screen is empty like mine, cross it off. This will open the default view. Don't panic at seeing boxes and wires. You'll be used to them in a few minutes. These boxes are known as nodes. They are like machines in factory assembly lines. Everyone has their own job. When it's done, they pass the work to another box or node. As you can see, all nodes are connected by these spaghetti-type lines. You can select and left-click any node to move the node. Among all these nodes, 3 are most important, the big 3 nodes. To understand ComfyUI, you need to know these 3 main characters. First is load checkpoint. It acts as the brain. This is where your AI model lives. It holds all the knowledge of what things look like. Secondly, clip text encoding prompts. As the name shows, this is where you give text prompts. Usually there are 2. 1 for positive, what you want, and 1 for negative, what you don't want. It translates your words into math that the AI understands. Next, K-sampler, the engine. This is where the magic happens. It takes the noise and carves it into an image based on your prompt and model. Besides these big 3, we have empty latent image. It sets the width, height, and batch size of your image. At this stage, there is no picture, just a bunch of random static snow that the AI will later turn into an image. You can also see a node VAE decode when the K-sampler finishes its work in the latent world. If you tried to look at a latent image, it would look like a colorful static mess. The VAE decode acts like a universal translator that turns that AI math speak into a standard image. It's like a develop button for a roll of film. You can't see the photos on the film reel itself. You need the developer to turn them into actual prints. Save image node is self-explanatory. It saves the final image. You can give a prefix here. Too much talking and explanation. Let's do some work on downloading the image model and creating an image. ComfyUI doesn't always come with a brain, aka model, pre-installed. You'll need to grab one. Where to go? Visit simplifies.com. You have to sign up first to download any model. Don't worry, it's totally free. Go to the Models page in the upper left menu. Open Filters in right side of the menu. In Model Type, select Checkpoint. For the base model, select SD 1.5. Why this model? Because it is light and can be run only on CPU without crashing, of course a little slower. I'll go with this first one. Let's download it. It will take some time. Once downloaded, move the file into the Checkpoints folder. For this, open the ComfyUI portable folder where you placed it in the first lesson. Open ComfyUI, then Models, then Checkpoints, and move the downloaded model here. Let's go to the Comfy page again. Refresh the browser. In the Load Checkpoint node, click the model name drop-down. Your new model should now appear. Select it. Type something simple in the top clip text encode box, like a cute cat in a spacesuit. Hit the big Run button. You'll see a green border highlight each node as it works. When it hits the K-sampler, you'll see a progress bar. If you are using CPU, it will be slow. Congratulations! We have our first image in the Save Image node. You can right-click it to save it to your computer. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. In the next third lesson, I will show you how to install and use a very important plugin of ComfyUI Manager. Don't miss it. Take care and bye.